So you come to work in the morning. What's a typical day for you?
A typical day.
There is no typical day.
In my job, there is no typical day.
What's good about the job is there's always something different.
What I like about general aviation is there's always a new challenge or opportunity.
I like that it changes, that I'm not doing the same thing every day.
Every day is different.
It's not the same every day.
You just keep seeing different things.
It can change with the needs of the mechanics,
I could be inspecting one day.
with the needs of planes.
I could be installing another day.
I'm not just sitting at a desk.
I could be repairing another day.
Your brain's always thinking. You're never bored.
I like challenges.
There's always a buzz here.
It's fun, it's changing.
You're really having fun.
Every day there's a new thing that you need to figure out how to fix.
Can be creative, come up with new solutions to problems.
One of the things we do really well here is not really letting those silos build up. There's no sense of, well, they handle that and we handle this. It's we handle this together, and what's the best way for us to go attack that?
Cross-training.
I've gone from working on things that I never thought I'd work on to things that I'm absolutely amazed I'm working on.
It's a cool job.
I love my job.
I think that's what kind of makes the aviation business so exciting.
There is never a typical day.